So right now, I gotta move this forward so I can shut the garage door. Had to cut that off today. And not exactly sure. Find the gear, Kimberly. That's how you move a shit semi or whatever this is. Make sure the air brake's on, make sure it's in neutral, and that's it. I didn't move this one very far for today. Well, not this one.